To get money off Cash App at an ATM, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the Cash App mobile application installed on your device and that you have an active account. You will also need to have a Cash Card, which is a free debit card offered by Cash App that allows you to access your funds at ATMs. To get a Cash Card, open the Cash App, tap the Cash Card tab, and follow the prompts to order your card. Once you have your Cash Card, you can use it to withdraw money from ATMs. To withdraw money from an ATM using your Cash Card, start by locating an ATM near you. You can use any ATM that accepts Visa cards, as the Cash Card is a Visa debit card. Once you find an ATM, insert your Cash Card and enter your PIN. Next, select the withdrawal option from the ATM menu and choose the account you want to withdraw from. In this case, you will choose the Cash App account linked to your Cash Card. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You will be charged a fee of $2.50 for each ATM withdrawal, unless you have at least $300 in direct deposits each month. In that case, the fees are reimbursed. It is also important to note that ATMs may charge additional fees, so be sure to check with the ATM operator before making a withdrawal. To avoid ATM fees, you can also use the Cash App to get cash back at stores that offer this service. Many retailers, such as grocery stores and pharmacies, offer cash back at the register when you make a purchase using your Cash Card. Overall, getting money off Cash App at an ATM is a simple process that requires a Cash Card and a few minutes of your time. By following these steps and being mindful of fees, you can easily access your Cash App funds at ATMs and take advantage of the convenience that the Cash App has to offer.